Hello everyone, this is Marlin out of Dallas, Texas. What you are looking at here is a diagram of a simple marketing system that I'm using to promote my primary business. Now, right here we have lead lightning, which is power lead system. And then we have traffic Monsoon. Now, I didn't put here B for business. Whatever business you might be involved with, you can promote it through this simple marketing system. Your business, lead lightning, which is power lead system. Lead lightning, you start with $7 one-time fee. $7. Lifetime fee, and you get an autoresponder, you get a capture page, and you could promote lead lightning by itself. And when people buy into the lead lightning system, which is power lead system, from your link or from your capture page, then you make $6 out of this $7. And the power lead system is just an upgrade from lead lightning. It's an upgrade. And this is the marketing platform that we use. We start off with our primary business. My primary business is Four Corners. It doesn't matter what your primary business is or my primary business is, whichever business that you want to promote, you can do it right here through this system. And like I said, it could be any business, whatever your business might be. If you don't have one, join up with Four Corners. $18 one-time fee, but you can make a living from this program alone. But you have to have a marketing system to promote it by or with. That's where lead lightning come in. And it is power lead system. Whenever you hear me say lead lightning, I'm talking about power lead system. This is just the beginning part of it. Pay $7 one-time fee. If you ever wanted to make an income or make just say that desired income that you've been wanting to make, you can do it through this system, and it's plain and simple. We call it the broke man's plan. You don't have to have money, a lot of money, to get started. Four Corners is $18, lead lightning is $7, and then you're on your way. But you cannot do this without traffic Monsoon. This is where you're going to accumulate all of your traffic. Traffic Monsoon. Traffic Monsoon is an ad sharing program. You join up for free. When you join, then you will consider on buying ad packs. Ad packs, we teach people to start with one ad pack, then work their way up to 10 ad packs. From that one ad pack, you're gonna make $1 a day. One ad pack will cost you $50. Now, every day you're going to make $7. Every 7 days, buy you another ad pack. That's $7. This is how we got started. From one ad pack, and we worked our way up to 10 ad packs. Once you start accumulating your money from buying ad packs, you're going to do that all the way up to 10 ad packs, but you're not going to have to pay that whole $50 again once you get started, because each day, as I said, you're going to be getting paid $1 off of each ad pack. And once you get up to 10 ad packs, that's $10 a day. That's $50 every 5 days. You are able to then buy an ad pack a day. Once you get to 10 and you start buying from your profit instead of your pocket, then you are able to continue on, we say go to 50, concentrate on 50 ad packs. Once you get to 50, we just say from 50 to 200 ad packs. That's where you want to be. Once you get to 200 ad packs, you are able to buy 4 ad packs a day. That's $200 a day. This is all done for getting more traffic to whatever business you are promoting. This is the system we use, and it's a simple system. I am now at 85 ad packs. $85 a day. I can buy an ad pack, but I wait until it get up to 100 so I can buy 2 ad packs. That will send me quicker to my destination, which is $200 a day. Once I get up to $200 a day, I'm able to go outside of Traffic Monsoon and purchase traffic to my business opportunity. Once you have your business opportunity in place, it could be Four Corners or whatever, you're going to place it inside of Lead Lightning, which is Power Lead System, and then you're going to place it inside of Traffic Monsoon, and this is where all the traffic accumulates. This is a simple marketing system, a simple plan. It's called the Broke Man's Plan, and you can get started today. Join Traffic Monsoon, Broke Man's Plan. Join Traffic Monsoon for free. Join Lead Lightning, $7 one-time fee. And join Four Corners, $18 one-time fee. And then you're on your way. Start getting your ad packs for $50. You're making $1 a day. Do that up until you get to 10 ad packs. And then you're able to buy an ad pack every 5 days from your profits and not your pockets. My name is Marlin Carter. The link to Four Corners, the link to Lead Lightning, and the link to Traffic Monsoon will be at the bottom of this video. If you have any questions after joining Traffic Monsoon for free to start in Four Corners or Lead Lightning, give me a call. Contact me through email. Whichever way you want to contact me. If I'm not available at that time, I will get back with you. My name is Marlin Carter. Click on the links below to get started. God bless you. Have a good day or night. Bye-bye.